In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can prepare better prompts to get amazing results from GPT Image 2. I'm going to show you a great strategy that can help you prepare these prompts to generate these high quality images or even convert this low quality photo of a product to a professional advertisement image of that product. And by the end, I'm going to share a bonus with you, and I have a great surprise for you. So if you're ready, let's begin. So before we begin, if you want to use GPT Image 2, normally you can go to ChatGPT and just click on create an image and write your prompt, select your aspect ratio, and then press enter and generate your image. The issue with that is it will always create low quality image for you. The maximum resolution for it will be 1K image. But if you want to get 4K result, either you can use this platform called Kie, which I will put the link down in the description, and you can come here, create an account, then come to billing, add some amount of credit for image generation, like $1, $5, $10, how much you want. Your credit will not expire and you can use it whenever you need it. And to generate an image using GPT Image 2, you can come to Marketplace, and here it is. Just click on Try It and you will come to this page. You can write your prompt here, and then you can select the aspect ratio, and here you can select the 4K resolution, which is amazing. There's also another platform that you can use to create high quality images for any AI model as well as GPT Image 2 with 4K result, and that is called Rangy. Rangy is an app I made myself, and you can use it to generate images or even videos on your computer by connecting it to different AI platforms. And if you don't have Rangy, I will put the link down in the description. You can go to the page and get Rangy. And after you install it, to set it up, it's very easy. All you need to do is to come to Kie platform, and from the left menu, select API keys. And here, just click on create new API key, write a name, whatever you prefer, click on create. For example, I wrote the name Rangy, and I created the API key, and then you will have something like this. All you need to do is to just click on this icon, copy, and then come to the app, click on this gear icon here on the top right side, and then on the second tab, API keys, here we have Kie platform. Come here, click on paste, and then click on save. This way, the Rangy app will be connected to Kie platform, to your account, and whatever you use here, whatever you generate here, it will deduct it from the billing, the amount of credit that you have here. So now let's talk about the strategy that I mentioned that helped me to generate high quality images like these examples. And I have been testing this a lot, especially this part. It just makes you hungry, full of sandwiches. I have been testing this a lot, and I came up with a good strategy. Instead of you write your prompt and struggle with the keywords, there's a better way. There's an easier way. So if I open one of these images, for example, let's open this one. And if I click on prompt, if you pay attention, this is a very, very long prompt, okay? And if we want to write it ourselves, it will be very challenging. Instead, we ask AI to write it for us. For example, I came to Claude and I had this long chat with it to generate each of these prompts that you saw the result here on the left tab. So first of all, I did a research and I asked Claude to gather all the information about how we can write a better prompt for this specific AI model, GPT Image 2. It did a research, and then we use that research to write better prompts for our model. So the good thing about this is that when the AI model is doing the research for you, it finds some good keywords that can deliver the result that you want. For example, I can come here, I'm just going to show you, I can come here and say, I want you to write a prompt about an ad image of a fruit ice cream with chocolate on it. Okay, so I'm not gonna write the prompt myself. I'm just gonna send this. So as you can see, Claude just searched online for similar things and then write a complete prompt for me. And you may say that, all right, you already have this research in your chat. What should we do? Don't worry about it. I will share what you can do in your own chat. And it doesn't matter. You don't need to just use Claude. You can use Gemini or ChatGPT, but I'm going to give you the key in a moment in this video. So before that, let's try this prompt and see the result. I'm just going to copy the prompt and come here, paste it inside the prompt section. I'm going to select GPT Image 2. From the drop down here, select Kie. So it use Kie. It also use replicate platform. But if you want to get 4K result, at this moment, you should select Kie. And then I'm going to select 4K. And here I'm going to select 16:9 aspect ratio. I'm going to put the number on 2 so we get 2 results. And it usually takes something around 1 to 3 minutes to generate the images. I'm going to fast forward until the results is ready and then we will continue. All right, the results are ready. I send the request another time so we can have 4 results. Let's compare the results together. So this is one of the examples. And if we zoom in, just look at the quality. I already feel hungry. It looks so cool. And this is using strawberry. We can just try other fruits as well. And as you can see, each of these images is really cool. It's amazing. And if you want to just write the prompt for this kind of images ourselves, it will be a huge challenge. Look at this one. This is the best one. Just look at the chocolate here in the back. And the image looks amazing. All the little details. So as you see, it is very easy to get a good prompt with this high quality from Claude. And for example, if I don't like a strawberry or if I don't like something in these images, I can just come here and mention, okay, this part of it is good, this part of it is bad, change the prompt. Or instead of a strawberry, use this fruit. Okay. Now, I want to give you the key to this research right now. Are you ready? So, there is a link down in the description that will take you to this page. This is a blog post on our Rangy website, and you can scroll down and you can read more about it. We explain all the tips and tricks for this research. You can scroll down, for example, the keywords that you can use to get the better result. And you can scroll down here. Here is the main research. You can come here, click on copy, and then go to any AI model like Claude and use Control V or Command V to paste the research and then write the prompt that you want. For example, you can share this research and then write down, I want a prompt for ice cream, okay? Or you can do this on ChatGPT or Gemini as well. So the key here is this research. When you use it, then any AI model will start to give you prompts like this. Now I have tested this a lot, and here I'm going to show you some of the examples. For example, this one was one of the top results that I got. And if you just look at the result, this way you can build the whole menu for fast food, for example. And I wanted to test this. I got a prompt that I really liked. And then I mentioned that, okay, start creating the same prompt for different kind of food. For example, here we have this food. And if I just move forward, we have different types of it. And for example, this is completely different food and all the details look amazing. And you can keep doing this over and over. Here we have chicken and all the details look amazing. And another kind of burger and another kind. So this way you can get to a prompt that you like and you can generate different kind of images. Now I'm going to show you another test I ran for a a product. So I went on Amazon, I found this Earbud product, and I just opened the image in a new tab. And then here I just copy the image. Let's say this is my product, or I got this project from someone else and I want to create cool ad images for their product. So I just copy this image and then come here to Rangy. Here on the input, I just click on clipboard and it will paste the image. And if I want to add more reference images, here on the reference image, I'm going to click on this plus sign and add more images of this product. Then I went to my chat here and I mentioned I want you to write 3 prompts for an earbuds product of the attached image, which is this one. I will also attach the image when I want to send the prompt to the AI image generator so you can refer to it. So I provided the image to this AI model based on the research. It wrote 3 prompts for me. And I just copied the prompts, came here, and got these results. Now, before that, I tried this one, this first result, which we can see it here in our history. And what I did, I just provided this image, and here I mentioned just make an ad image of this earbud product. Okay, this is the prompt that I wrote myself. So it got the image and it just made it better, right? This image also looks so good. But if you want to take another step and use professional prompts, these are the results that we can get. And you can see they look amazing. Just look at each one of them. For example, here it added the sound waves and more results. If I myself wanted to write a prompt to get this kind of result, it would be super challenging to describe that, all right, maybe add this kind of lines around it, make the earbud shiny around it. It's very challenging. But this way, with this technique, you can easily create cool results. So if you don't have Rangy, you can click on the link down in the description. It will take you to this page. And the surprise that I mentioned is that right now that I'm recording, we have a sales. It's a flash sale, and it will last for 1 more day. Probably until we edit this video, it will take a couple of hours, and you should still have some time to get this app with discounted version. So if you have any question regarding this system or about Rangy, you can leave a comment. And don't forget to like the video. This way I will understand that you like this kind of videos and I will make more for you. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. That will be all for this training. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you soon on the next training.